Welcome back, guys, for part one of the camshaft position sensor change. What you're going to need to remove the airbox hose or the airbox breather hose is a T25 star bit. Just get it enough so you can unscrew it yourself. What I like to do is, in all honesty, remove this rear cover and I'll set my bolts and stuff in there. Got to disconnect the battery to even replace the sensors. So yeah, see, it's where I can get it untightened with my hands. Set them up in the rear engine cover. Oh, can't forget that. I'll just set that right there. And this should just come out really easily. Should just pull it back. Sometimes make sure you check your filter. Make sure you have no bugs or leaves or anything in there of that nonsense. Set it to the side. Matter of fact, set it to the back so it won't be in your way. And you're going to need, I'm pretty sure, all 3.2 FSI engines. By the way, this is a B7 model. You can do this on the A6, C6, if I'm not mistaken, or any model car that has this engine, which I'm not mistaken is the BKH engine. But back to the video. You're going to need to do flathead screwdriver and unscrew these hose clamps until they're unhooked. It's kind of hard doing this with one hand, guys, so bear with me. Okay, and there's a hose right here that connects to it. All you gotta do is pull it down and it'll set right there on its own. But it should just come up, and if it comes off, just put it back on there or set it in your parts thing. Set that up there. And this clamp right here is actually held on by this thing right here on top of the airbox. Just pull it up, and I've done this multiple times, so my airbox is sitting here. There's the clamp. I gotta get this flathead screwdriver. I can't do it with this one hand. Okay. This piece was inside here. It broke, but it's fine. Okay. And it should just slide on out of there. Set this on the ground, like so. And the other one is right here. This engine has 4 of them. This is one right here, one right here, one right here, and last but not least, the last one right here, the one I want to change. I'm going to take a quick break and I'll be right back, guys.